Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and transfer money from Australia to Sri Lanka. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. So for that matter, there is a very easy way for you to do so. All you have to do is access your computer or your mobile's browser and simply type in westernunion.com, and you will be able to access the official website right over here. Once you see this kind of interface, all you have to do is tap on this option of send money on top. It will automatically detect your location, so you don't have to update it. For us now it's correctly showing our current location. For you, Australia will be there just listed. Afterwards, you can see we do have the send money summary over here. You will be able to find that you do have three options how you can do the transfer. First will be to a mobile phone. If your receiver line is a country where we offer mobile money transfer service, this will also depend if the Western Union offers the mobile service for your country or not. If you do a bank account, this is a very easy and a very common method as well. But you do have also option of money in minute. You need money there in minutes of 1 or 2. That is also one of the option. If you're really in a hurry, I would just suggest you to simply tap on this money in minute, which here in this section you will be able to see how you can do. Right, you can see search for an agent location near you, complete the send money from, give the agent a completion with the applicable file, send your receipt and tracking number, and track your transfer. That is the same, and it is kind of same for the bank as well. All you have to do is search for the agent location near you. Once you are here, you will be able to find all of the nearby agents that you have available. All you have to do is access them, and the next step would be simply for you to complete this send money form. You will include the information of your receiver, and that you will provide them the cash that they need, and then they will provide you the MTCN number, the tracking number, which your receiver has to provide when they need to receive the money. And then you have to make sure that for the bank it will take up to 3 business days for them to receive money. And if you do it to a mobile phone, you have to make sure that the service available or not for you. So I would suggest the 2 option on top first, so make sure to read the article accordingly. So that is a simple way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.